ما شاء الله. السلام عليكم.
10 of 10.
السلام.
Wow.
It's an introduction.
Wow. You just captivated everybody. What's your name?
My name is Sayyid Talib Ali Zadi.
Sayyid Talib Ali Zaidi. How old
ما
are
شاء
you?
الله.
I'm 13 years old.
Okay, okay. And when did you first start reciting?
Straight out the womb.
What's that? Did you say straight out of the womb?
Yeah.
Is it straight? Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight away.
Straight
Born.
away. Born.
You're one of those. Are you ready? Born ready.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Straight out the womb. That's one of the craziest answers I've ever heard. Even I wouldn't say that. Straight out of the womb.
Straight.
Wow.
That's so specific.
And